Yesterday, a live image was shared by a Chinese leaker WhyLab that shows the ROG Phone 5 and gave several details about the design of the rear, showing that the Taiwanese manufacturer is already ready to make the fourth version of the gamer device available on the market. Now, today the device was once again became the protagonist of a major leak. This time, a hands-on video shows details about an unexpected new product. There is a mini screen on the back of the phone where it will be possible to view specific notifications. As you can see in the video, the small screen is a way to let the user know when the game mode is running, as well as when a call is being received, something essential for those who always keeps their devices in silent mode. In addition, the video also confirms the functionality of the button added in the bottom corner, which will allow a performance boost so that the gameplay is even better. In combination with these modifications, when the phone is rotated, it is noticeable that the edges of the screen are symmetrical, which gives the product much more uniformity. The upcoming ROG phone is expected to pack a 144Hz refresh rate display, Snapdragon 888 chipset, and 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging. Now we just have to wait for the announcement to find out if there are more new features to come in the 4th generation of the ROG phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.